This is David Carter, a dreamer, a doer, and a business owner just like you, fighting to stay afloat. He tried every business management software, or ERP, he could find, but the ones which were close to his requirements were overpriced, overcomplicated, and did not fix the problems that kept hurting his business. He wasn't just losing money, he was losing customers' trust, time, peace, the very foundations a business stands on. Until one day the struggle finally became a turning point, and he decided to rebuild the system the way real businesses actually work. Introducing Axiever, and that's how Axiever was born, shaped by real struggles, real operations. With Axiever, chaos turns into clarity. Fewer people, zero missed inquiries, smarter pricing, and a cash flow curve that finally grows instead of breaks. Axiever leads the industrial products for oil, gas, and petrochemical trading world, built for speed, precision, and mission-critical urgency. And it goes far beyond oil, gas, and petrochemical industry. Import, export, trading, distribution, services. Axiever brings structure, automation, and discipline across them all. Champions in supply of equipment and spares to the oil, gas, and petrochemical industry. A game changer for every business where inquiries, quotations, orders, and margins truly matter. Axiever doesn't just save time, it gives you control. It gives you confidence. It helps you breathe again. It gives you time for business expansion. Axiever, smart, simple, affordable. Your partner in growth and peace of mind. Free demo plus free 1-hour consultation. Try Axiever today.